Hello everyone, I Anu Dhariwal welcome you all to the class once again. Children, as you know we are discussing the chapter 1 from your geography book, that is resources, from your NCERT textbook Resources and Development. In the last session we discussed what are resources and the types of resources. We discussed natural resources in details in the previous session. Now let us move ahead with the other type of resource. The next kind of resource that we are going to study about is human-made resources. The resources which are created from the natural resources by the human beings to produce useful products are known as human-made resources. That means, children, whatever products humans make from the natural resources available in the nature, those products are known as human-made resources because humans are making them. For example, roads. As you know, roads are made by humans. So road is an example of a human-made resource. The other example can be vehicles. Any kind of vehicle, be it an aeroplane, a bicycle, car, truck, anything, any kind of vehicle is also considered as a human-made resource. Machinery, any kind of machinery that you see around you in the present date or in the earlier, all are considered as human-made resources because also they are made by the help of the humans. Technology is also a human-made resource. Now children, technology that we all are using in today's generation, be it a mobile phone, a laptop, your TV, your microwave, refrigerators, all are part of the technology. All of this is also considered a human-made resource. Coming to the third kind of resource, that is human resources. Human resources refers to the number and abilities of the people. Now, number means the number of people, how many people are involved in a certain kind of work, and their abilities to do any sort of work will be considered as human resource. People can make the best use of nature to create more resources when they have the knowledge, skill and the technology. Now, when people use their knowledge, their skill with the help of technology, these kind of resources will be considered as human resources. When we were talking about the abilities of the people, the abilities are our knowledge and our skill with a mixture of the technology. When we are talking about human resource, children, in human resource we are talking about the people. People are human resources. Be it a male, female, a child, anyone, all of us are considered as human resources. And also, we are also called special resources. Human beings are a special resource. Education and health help in making people a valuable resource. So children, when education and health both are combined, they make people a valuable resource. We need education, we need to be healthy, then only we can develop anything, then only we can use the technology. So education and health makes the people a valuable resource. This is it for today, children. We'll see you in the next class. We'll continue the topic. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.